Hello students, welcome to the second session of tools and methods used in cyber crimes. So in this video we will study what is phishing. Suppose you are checking electronic mail and if you find a message from bank threatening you to close the bank account if you does not reply immediately. Although the message seems to be suspicious from the contents of the message, it is difficult to conclude that it is fake email. This message and other such messages are examples of phishing. In addition to stealing personal and financial data, it can infect systems with viruses and also a method of online identity theft in various cases. These phishing messages look authentic and attempt to get users to reveal their personal information. Phishing is a cybercrime in which a target is contacted by email, telephone, or text message by someone posing as genuine to tempt individuals into providing sensitive data such as personally identifiable information, banking and credit card details, and passwords. The information is then used to access important accounts and can result in identity theft and financial loss. So how phishing works? Phishers works in the following ways. The first one is planning. Criminals, usually called as phishers, decide the target and determine how to get email address of the target or customers of that business. Phishers often use mass mailing and address collection techniques as spammers. Second one, setup. Once phishers know which business or business house to spoof and how their victims are, they will create methods for delivering the message and to collect the data about the target. Most often this involves email addresses and a web page. Third one, attack. This is the step people are most familiar with. The phisher sends a phone message that appears to be from reputed source. Fourth one, collection. Phishers record the information of victims entering into web pages or pop-up windows. Fifth one, identity theft and fraud. Phishers use the information that they have gathered to make illegal purchases or commit fraud. So phishing started off as being part of popular hacking culture. Nowadays, more and more organizations or institutes provide greater online access for their customers, and hence criminals are successfully using phishing techniques to steal personal information and conduct ID theft at a global level. So that's it for today's session. In next session we will study what is password cracking and why password cracking is used.
These days, it pays to know how to keep your information safe and secure, especially when it comes to protecting your money. That's because every day there are people trying to find ways into your account. Many times, criminals don't even have to try to get information. All they have to do is ask you. It's called phishing. Phishing is when a fraudster contacts you through email, by phone, or through text message, pretending to be a legitimate business. Then they ask you to provide information like your online account login and password, your card number or PIN, even your social security number. You might think that you would never give out your information to someone like this, but it is estimated that 1.2 million people give their information out to a criminal every year in the United States.